Okay guys, so here's our last video, and this should be the main homework of what you're going to be tested on this coming Thursday. It's improper fractions and our mixed number. Remember, the improper fractions had the big heads. So on this side you should have drawn an upside down triangle, so that way you remember that the numerator is big and the denominator is small. So the denominator, the number on the bottom, represents how many pieces you have in one group. In one group, you have 1, 2, 3. You have 3 pieces in one group. Your numerator is, you just count all the shaded pieces only. So it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 out of 3 that are shaded in completely. Now, as a mixed number has a numerator and a denominator and a whole number. Remember, that's why it's called a mixed number, because there's a whole number together with a fraction. Now here, if you notice, there is one whole group because they're all shaded in. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. So your answer here for this one was just the number 4 because there's 4 whole pieces shaded in. That's for number 1. Number 2, same thing. Upside down triangle, big head, the numerator, little legs, the denominator, because we're doing an improper fraction. It doesn't look right. It's an improper fraction. So your denominator for here, look at one group. How many pieces make one group? 1, 2. 2 pieces make one group. Your numerator, count all the shaded pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There you go. 7 pieces shaded in out of 2. Your mixed number, you have a whole number together with a numerator and a denominator. So let's start with the whole number first. How many whole groups do you have? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 whole groups. Remember, your denominators are like the divas. They never change, because in one group there's 2 pieces. Now look at the last picture. There's only 1 shaded in. So there it is, 3 whole groups and 1/2 right there. Number 3. This is what you should have got. Again, upside down triangle, your numerator and your denominator. Your denominator, the number on the bottom, look at one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your denominator should be 10. Now if you count your shaded pieces for the numerator, you have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. There it is. There's your improper fraction, 37 out of 10. Your mixed number, you have 1 whole group, 2, 3. You have 3 whole groups. Your denominator again is 10. And out of those 10 pieces, how many are shaded in? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There it is, 3 out of 7 tenths. 3 and 7 tenths. Number 4, improper fraction. Start with your denominator. How many pieces make one group here? It should be 8. Now count all the shaded pieces. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 is your numerator. See? There's your improper fraction. Big head, little body. Now your mixed number. You have 1 whole group, 2 whole groups. Your denominator again is still 8. Now count in the last picture how many pieces are shaded in. 2. 2 and 2 8s. There's your mixed number. Number 5. Number 5, again, your denominator first, the number on the bottom. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pieces for one group, and you count all the shaded pieces, so all 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 and 6. 9, 6. Your mixed number, whole number, numerator, denominator. Your whole number, there's 1 group shaded in. Your denominator doesn't change, it's still 6. And in the last picture, there's only 3 that are shaded in, so it's 1 and 3, 6. Number 6. We're doing the improper fraction. So first is find the denominator again. In one group, how many pieces do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pieces in one group. Now count all the shaded pieces. 6, 12, 18, 24, 25. Here's your mixed number. You have 4 whole groups. So you have 4 wholes. Your denominator stays the same because in one group you have 6 pieces and there's only 1 shaded in. There's your mixed number, 4 and 1, 6. Here's what you should have had for questions 1 through 6. Alright, question 7. Your numerator and denominator. Your denominator, the number on the bottom, there should be 3 pieces as your denominator. Now count all the shaded pieces for your improper fraction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7/3. There's your improper fraction. Big head, little body. Mixed number. You have 2 whole groups, 2 whole pieces. Your denominator, look at the last picture. How many pieces you have in one group? 3. How many pieces are shaded in? Only 1. So there it is, 2 and 1/3. Number 8. So in number 8 you have in one group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 8 pieces in one group, and then you count all your shaded pieces. So if there's 8 here and you have 8 here, that's 16, and here that's 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. You have 29 pieces shaded in. Again, that's your improper fraction. As your mixed number, this is what you should have had. 3 whole groups. 8 is your denominator because you have 8 pieces in one group. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There it is, 3 and 5/8, your mixed number. Again, over here for number 9, your denominator, how many pieces you have in one group? 1, 2, 3, 4. In one group, there's 4. Now count all your shaded pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24/4. Right there. Now here, your mixed number, you're not going to have a fraction because all of the pieces are shaded in. So just count your groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have 6 holes. There it is. 6 by itself is your answer. Now number 10. If you have the numerator and you have the denominator. In one group, you have 2 pieces to make one group. Your numerator, count all the shaded pieces. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. There it is. 11 halves. Now your mixed number. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5 holes. Your denominator. In one group, you have 2 pieces, stays the same, and only 1 is shaded in. And there it is. There's your improper fraction and your mixed number. And that was it, guys. This is all you should have for Thanksgiving break. Hopefully you still look at the videos that I gave you there from the video notes and take a look at those. Now you can go ahead and get started on today's work.